phrase Emily. We are talking on cyber types. What is cyber attack and types of different types of cyber attack? So what is cyber attack? A cyber attack refers to an action designed to target a computer or any element of a computerized information system to change, destroy, or steal data, as well as exploit or harm a network data. There are different types of cyber attack, but we are talking on 5 today. One, DOS and DOS attack, SQL attack, ransomware attack, phishing attack, and MITM attack. Tick. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Queen Indafe. I'm here to talk about DOS attack and DDoS attack. Yes, change the slides. No. Okay, yes. A DOS attack is an attack coming from a single attacker. For an example, a phone. An attacker keeps on calling a phone over and over again.
What is DOS? What is DOS?
A denial of service. A denial of service. This is the type of attack when an hacker keeps on calling. A denial of service attack is an attack when the attack is coming from one source. For an example, when a phone call, when an hacker keeps on calling a phone over and over again, making the line to always busy, other people cannot get through to the line. That's an example of a DOS attack. I had to stop that attack. That attack is very easy to stop because the attack is coming from one source. So it's easy to pinpoint, and the website or server can close that attack. So that is not really a problem. Now, the main one is DDoS attack. That attack is an attack coming from a multiple source simultaneously. An example of that attack is a bank website. Multiple people keep on sending fake requests to the bank, making the website to be busy. So legitimate user can't log into the bank website. So you wonder, how do this hacker get other computer to do the attack? The hacker uses a malicious software to do the attack. He will use that malicious software to create a malware program. A malware are virus, bad program designed to steal, destroy, or damage your system. Now, this attacker put this malware on the internet. A vulnerable computer can click on that malware. The virus will be installed into their PC without their knowledge. So that's how the attacker recruits other computers to join in the attack. So when he's done recruiting, they are not like an army of computers. The group of infected computers, they are called the botnet. They are not like an army, like a zombie, waiting to receive an instruction from the attacker, which is like the ringleader. Now, the hacker is going to give them a set time and a date to launch the attack. Once that set time and date is reached, they are going to launch the attack. Then the attack begins. Now, you ask, why would somebody want to do a DDoS attack? The reason, because it might be for financial purpose. Some, they are just, maybe they don't like the company. Maybe some are doing it for fun. That's the reasons why they are doing it. Now, you now say, how do you stop a DDoS attack? Or what are the prevention of DDoS attack? Create a denial of service response plan. That is, when the attack happens, when you notice an attack has happened, you know who to call, the right tools to use, and how to act fast to the attack. Use a secure infrastructure with DDoS attack, like using a firewalls. Firewalls fight against virus. And understand warning sign when your network is slowing down, website going on and off. That is an example. That is a sign that a DDoS attack is about to happen. So you act fast. Adopt a class-based service provider. Class-based helps to alleviate DDoS attack due to that network land bandwidth. So I'll move to the next person.
Good day, everyone. My name is Victor Jatu. My name is Victor Jatu. I'll be talking on SQL attack. So,
The pointer.
okay.
The pointer.
SQL injection attack.
Where's the pointer?
Okay.
Give it
I'll
to
start
me.
by the definition of SQL. SQL is called structured query language, which is used to it's like normal Python language we have. It's used to create, manipulate, and retrieve data from a database, a relational database system, just like Postgres. These are used to create backend, which are different from the front end you see. These are where data are stored. Every information of a website, this is where it's stored. So SQL is an injection, is a cyber attack where an attacker inserts malicious SQL commands into an application's input field to manipulate the backend database. An attacker comes into your website, he looks for an input field where you type something. So he inserts a malicious SQL command trying to retrieve a certain or to break the backend so that he can retrieve data because data is money. So when he gets certain information he wants, he can do whatsoever he wants on the website or maybe create a ask for money or anything he wants. So a case study is in Indonesia on Narcosite agency website on March 4th, 2025. The website was compromised and leaked, defaced through a SQL injection attack. The attack using this Egypt Santana is a SQL tool used to find vulnerabilities in a website. When you, after building your website and your backend, you use this tool to find the vulnerabilities. So the attacker used this tool, found those vulnerabilities in this website, and now launched his SQL injection attack at the endpoint. So an endpoint is where in the backend where you receive and request and when response and requests are made. So the attacker injected this SQL code and automated a probing database structure and ultimately leaked a public page with a taunting message. So I'll now talk on.
Your time is going.
Okay.
The next person, your time is going.
How do you change this? How do you change it? Next time. I'm not going to do fish. So I'm going to be talking on ransomware attack. So what is a ransomware? A ransomware is a malicious software that blocks access to a computer system or encrypts its files, holding them hostage until a particular amount is paid, mostly in Bitcoin. Now, they normally encrypt data, demand payment. That is just basically all about the ransomware attack. Just imagine someone actually locking your house and taking your key and telling you have to pay to collect back your key for your own house. It's very annoying. Now, around 2017, there was a type of virus called WannaCry. Now, this was a ransomware, also a crypto one, which targeted computers running in Microsoft Windows. It affected over 200,000 systems, over 200,000 systems worldwide in about 150 plus countries. Now, how do you prevent them? You prevent them by regular backups, keep your software updated, use antivirus. How does it enter your system? Most times you either download it or it enters your email, or you click links that you're not sure of. Now it enters your system quietly, you will never notice it. And it locks your files, lock your system. You will not be able to open your files or your system. And a message pops up telling you to pay a particular amount. They can tell you pay certain amount to open your files, and until you pay that amount, there's nothing you're going to do to get back your files. So thank you.
Okay. My name is Onodu Success, and I'm going to be talking about phishing attack. Phishing is a cyber crime where an attacker impersonates legitimate entities like companies or banks through deceptive emails, texts, or calls to trick users into revealing sensitive personal information like passwords or credit card details. Types of phishing include email phishing, SMS phishing, spear phishing, and voice phishing. The case study was the Google Docs phishing scam that happened in 2017. In May 2017, a sophisticated, rapid spreading phishing attack targeted roughly 1 million Google users. The scam utilized fake invitations to edit Google Docs, which upon clicking directed users to a legitimate Google um, permission page, tricking them in granting malicious third-party app access to their emails or contacts. The impacts include financial loss, ransomware or malware, reputational damage, data breach, and information theft. Prevention of phishing includes to verify sender emails, to always be careful or cautious with links/attachments, and always use the two-factor authentication. Thank you.
I'll be talking on MITM attack, also known as man-in-the-middle attack. What is MITM attack? MITM attack is a breach whereby an attacker secretly inserts itself into a conversation between two parties to steal sensitive data like password or credit card. Case study: a free Wi-Fi network was created by an attacker at a coffee store. A student comes into the coffee shop to pay for the coffee. So the student connected to the free Wi-Fi network without knowing it's fake, and then the attacker intercepted the student login details using packet sniffing tools and steal the student's email and bank credentials. Impact on this MITM attack: unauthorized bank transaction, email accounts hijacked, identity theft risks. How to prevent an MITM attack? Use a VPN, that is also visual private network. Avoid unsecured Wi-Fi. Use HTTP only. Thank you. Thank you.
Give the mic to someone to summarize. Just pick your best friend to summarize for you.